Welcome to another episode of How to Fix Stuff. This time the tub is clogged. It could be my kids, it could be my sister's luscious hair that I definitely got cheated out of. Either way, I have to fix it. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove the overflow plate because that's where I'm gonna feed the snake into. I'm not gonna hold you, in there was nasty. Now I'm begging you, before you use any of these tools, please read the instructions. Reading is fundamental. Stop guessing and actually read how the tool is meant to be used. So I went ahead and manually fed about 6 inches of cable into the drain first. Then I switched it to auto and put the battery in. And I got trigger happy and definitely was advancing the cable down because what's stuck in there I need to know now. Once I got far enough down, I started to retract and booyah! That's the culprit. Nasty. These kids is nasty. Before removing it completely, I put that bad boy back into manual and removed the battery. Then I had to clean off everything that came out, and I'm telling you, I was gagging. This was definitely a combination of soap and hair all mixed together. But on the bright side, if I ever need a disguise, anyway, I cleaned the snake so that I can properly store it, and went ahead and ran the tub to see if it's going to still be clogged, and voila, perfection. I'm Tisha. I teach homeowners how to fix stuff so they can save money and stay in control. Save this video and follow for more. Bye.